This video is about my experiences traveling with my e-bike from Georgia to Virginia, and then from Virginia to Alabama. This is my latest typical setup when I get to a campground. My e-bike is normally secured to the back of the trailer when I'm not using it. I'm going to share with you a portion of one of my rides on one of my stops. Hello everyone. I'm on the trail in the Monte Sano State Park near Huntsville, Alabama. And it's a nice little RV park. So I decided to come back, get my camera equipment, and go to a quick little ride. I found some trails I'm gonna walk later, but they also have areas that you can use on the e-bike. Some trails you can't do. My future lot right there. So decided to go out for a little ride. Have you guys come along with me? But we're gonna go to explore the path. Later on, I might be able to take you along with a walk I take through here. Right now, I just want to go check things out with the e-bike. Check out the glorious nature God created for us all to enjoy. So I'm gonna go out of here and discover a closed road they have. I forgot to bring the map along with it, but she showed me the map where to go, so I hope to find it. So let's do that thing. They said they got a scenic overlook up here too, and a planetarium. That's good. Let's go see what we have here. Oh, this is nice. Just my mirrors here. Let's see what's coming up behind me. Got some kind of museum up here too. That's interesting. Boost my assist a little bit there. It's not helpful exercise, but it's good to get me there. So let's see what we got here. So it's the closed road they're talking about. We'll come back to it. Let's see the scenic overlook. Oh wow, that is nice. It's pretty good. Nice overlook of the valley. So let's see if we can get a better view of what's going on in the valley. Okay, we'll just keep on going here. So let's get this on the road. The pathway is here. Let's see what they got on the closed road. Heck, there's 10 bumps. said the road was about a mile long. I want to see where that could be. See if we can get out of here safely. Really see how much in the mountains you are here. Oh yeah, so you can see the water mountain from up here. It's pretty cool. Get back out of here. I'm doing it for the enjoyment and get some exercise in too. So, pretty much climbing mountains. I've got to burn my battery charger to this, as well as my spare battery to my drill. Things I have to learn along the way sometimes. Made for this kind of stuff. Oh wow, got a good view from up here. Over here. The valley. Let's see if I can get some scenery for you here. Man, this is really nice. Turn to a nice vacation on this end. Ooh wee. Look at that. I don't know if I can see the whole valley, but that is nice. Nice view. riding back. Glad I got a ride on my e-bike. For some reason it wasn't working at my last location, but I messed around with it. Probably was a connection pulled loose. Wasn't tight. So I messed around with it and miraculously started working. Thank God for that. So okay, this came from a different location directly. Have it. Needless to say, I had a good time riding my e-bike through this state park. It was a little mountainous, but that made it nice to have an e-bike available to me so I can climb hills easily. Here I am the day before I leave, all packed up with the e-bike. All I got to do is pull the chocks and leave. Thank you all for watching.